show you guys what I've been working on. '71 Nordic 640E. I just put in a better gas tank because this one was cracked. Checked oil in the chain case, ran new lines to the carburetor. So we're gonna take it out and try to get it running. So yeah, here it is. Hood's a little cracked. Hood's very cracked, and it's missing the door. But I have a couple of these. My dad has '71 Nordic 399, so I have some parts. It says an 18-inch wide track, electric start. Got to get the ground wire hooked up. Battery would sit back here. That'll be nice to have. And then it has a cigarette lighter. You know, when you gotta light one up, maybe charge your phone off there. Ski bushings are pretty sloppy. I put this bumper on from a different sled. Pop the hood here. 640 twin. So let's go dump some gas in it. Before we get to that, I'll show you guys when I first brought it home. The motor was almost locked up. It had barely turned over, so I dumped in some mystery oil and got it turned over, checked spark, and sure enough it still had spark. Then I rigged up a gas can, and a few pulls, it actually started to run and idled pretty good. Got the tank out, had to take the hood off, some brackets there. Tank came right out. I'm gonna clean this up first, vacuum it out, put the new tank in, probably get longer lines on the carb, but should start right up. This is a spare tank I had from Olympic, and it sat outside for 15 years or so, and it wasn't even that bad, so I just wet sanded it with some brake clean and cleaned up the outside, dumped in this apple cider vinegar and sloshed it around and let it sit for a while and cleaned it out. It worked pretty good. So this is my clean tank. I just pulled the pickup out. These lines were broke off. This thing is pretty rusty, which is why I still have rust in here. I gotta clean out with some gas, but so we're gonna take this one out and see how it looks. Hopefully that's good. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to rig something up temporarily because I want to ride this today and see how it goes. I got a brand new fuel filter though, and then on the carburetor, there's also a filter, but yeah, that one looks old, but I guess it's all I have for now. Alrighty guys, I just got the hood back on. Show you guys what I've been up to. I got the skis aligned somewhat better. I didn't go too precise with it because the bushings in these skis are just pretty junk. It's alright. So we got that tank mounted in here. I just got held in with this piece of wire because I found a bumper off a parts sled, wrapped that wire around there, and I mean, it's good enough for a test rip. So this ground cable is like pretty junk. I could just almost rip it apart. When I cranked on the starter, it kind of just got really hot and didn't do anything. So I got the battery tray mounted in better. I put a new end on this wire. I just need to find a good clean ground and run a new wire for the battery, and then electric start should work. Gonna add some oil to the chain case and hope that the axle seals don't leak. Oh boy. I learned this with the Land when I put the new fuel lines on. You're going to want to have a spray bottle, something to spray gas into the carb while it's running, because it's going to keep dying on you until it has 0 air bubbles in the line. Oh yeah, atomization in innings. Already going to hold her wide, give her some giggles. And give her a yeet. Oh boy. Told you guys it ran. Oh boy. Runs, a little boggy, it idles. The headlight works and the gauges light up red. That's kind of neat. The tack was working a little, but it's kind of sticky. Speedometer works. Sometimes you just gotta go for a rip. I think this clutch is rattling. So, review on the Nordic 640. Gets up to speed pretty good. I was only going about quarter throttle because there's some other things I want to check out, but we hit some drifts and came down a little hard. Drive cogs broke, but I knew they were going to break. They look pretty old. Same thing happened on the land, but I guess now's a good time to go through all that stuff. I don't think I want to go through the bogey, so I'm just gonna reuse them because it's kind of a lot of work. But take that axle out, get new bearings. This thing's broken. Take the axle out, get new bearings, new drive cogs, put them in. They're like 25 bucks a piece. You can still buy them. You can still buy all the bearings you need, and then go from there. Just gotta ride it some more, get the clutches moving, maybe oil some stuff. But yeah, she's stuck right here, so pull it out with the four-wheeler. Alrighty, let's see the damage. Oh man. Oh man.